Oberlo with AliExpress review, features, strengths, weaknesses. In this video, we'll be reviewing Oberlo with AliExpress, breaking down its features, strengths and weaknesses to help you decide if it's the right solution for your dropshipping business. Links to Oberlo and related resources are provided in the description below for easy access. Oberlo is one of the most well-known dropshipping tools designed specifically for Shopify users and integrates seamlessly with AliExpress to simplify product sourcing and order fulfillment. With its one-click product import feature, you can add products directly from AliExpress to your Shopify store, complete with optimized titles, descriptions, and high-quality images. Another key feature is automated order fulfillment, which streamlines the buying process by automatically sending orders to AliExpress suppliers and updating tracking information for your customers. The platform is perfect for beginners due to its straightforward interface and easy setup process. Oberlo also offers features like real-time inventory and price updates, ensuring your store always reflects supplier changes. The built-in analytics tool allows you to track product performance, giving you insights into what's selling and where adjustments may be needed. Additionally, Oberlo's product statistics feature helps you identify trending items, making it easier to focus on high-demand niches. One of Oberlo's main strengths is its simplicity and user-friendly design, which makes it ideal for Shopify store owners who are just starting out. It eliminates much of the manual work involved in dropshipping, allowing you to focus on marketing and scaling your business. Oberlo also provides excellent resources like tutorials, guides, and customer support to help new users get started. However, there are a few weaknesses. Oberlo is exclusive to Shopify, meaning it won't work with other platforms like WooCommerce or Wix, which limits flexibility. Additionally, some users have expressed concerns about the long shipping times associated with certain AliExpress suppliers, especially if products don't support e-packet delivery. Lastly, while the free plan offers basic functionality, advanced features require a paid subscription. In conclusion, Oberlo with AliExpress is a fantastic tool for Shopify users looking to automate their dropshipping business. Its intuitive design, automation capabilities, and product research tools make it a great option for beginners and small-scale operations. Check the links in the description to explore Oberlo and see how it can help simplify your dropshipping journey.